My name is Mark John, and today I am at Bethel Farm and Herbs. I still remain your host. Today I'll be talking about hydroponics, and as you can see all around me, that is what we are doing here. What is hydroponics? Hydroponics is a technique that we use in growing plants using a nutrient solution that empowers the plant and helps them to grow better. So in this situation, we tend to use water-based solution, which by the plant derive their nutrient from the water-based solution that helps the plant grow better. There are many advantages to hydroponics, and one of the advantages is that in hydroponics you don't need a soil to grow your plant. Second, it conserves water, it preserves water. And thirdly, it facilitates microclimate, and also you can predict it. It's predictable, and it is not seasonal. You can do hydroponics throughout the year, so long as the climate in which you are under is conducive for your plant. And number 5, it helps crops to grow faster. And 6, the last one I might say, the 6th one, it helps you maximize space. So those are the advantages of hydroponics in the hydroponic system. So in the hydroponic system, what is most important is the nutrients that the plant derive out of the water-based solution, which helps to empower the plant. And as the water runs through the pipe, the plant extracts all the nutrient in it, and it helps it to grow better. So as you follow me, I'm going to show you the place whereby we extract the nutrient and the kind of nutrient we use in growing these plants. This is our nutrient-based tank, but I want you to see what is inside our nutrient-based tank. If you look right here, there's a sack here, and in this sack we have 50 kilos of chicken manure. And the sacks are 2 actually, and the second one there is 50 kilograms of goat manure. And all of them, we put them in this tank, which is 1,000 liters. And when we put them, we soak it inside the water, and it allows it to extract all the nutrient from the chicken manure and also the goat manure. So what we have here now becomes the foliar fertilizer. This foliar fertilizer is what we use for our hydroponic system, which enables the plant and helps them to grow better. You can try that at home, and it will help you so much, because a lot of people complain where they can get hydroponic nutrients from, but actually you can create it and develop it from the chicken droppings and also from the goat droppings too. Hello, thank you so much. From our video, I said I will show you what happened in the next 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks time, this is how the plants look like. So when you try extracting the nutrients from the goat manure and the chicken manure, and you're able to put them in the pipes for your hydroponics, then you can be able to achieve this without any use of any other kind of foliar fertilizer or anything. The goat manure is rich that you can use it as your own foliar fertilizer in your hydroponics. I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to click on the notification button, as whenever we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Please don't forget to click on the notification button. Whenever we upload videos, you will be notified.